the wardrobe which is timeless, sophisticated, which looks classic, and you can get the value out of these pieces maybe 1 year later in case if you take care of them nicely. And when it comes to neutral colors, what I would mean: white and black, blue and grey, green, as well as different shades of brown. What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be an interesting video because I thought rather than doing a haul on the H&M, I thought let's help you guys in building a neutral wardrobe when it comes to H&M new arrivals, and most of these pieces are summer specific, and you can consider this video as maybe a capsule wardrobe because most of the regions here in India anyway the temperatures are going to be on the higher side irrespective of the season except for 1 or 2 months here and there in a year. And this is the episode 1 of how to build a neutral wardrobe from H&M. I would like to divide this category of shirts into 3 subcategories. One would be the solid color shirts with no print or a pattern on it. Number 2, shirts with a pattern, checkered pattern as well as stripes pattern. And number 3 would be the printed shirts. Yes, printed shirts comes under neutral category if you opt for a specific color choice which comes into the neutral colors. Starting with the first 3 shirts because these are the similar shirts in different colorways. I picked these shirts in black, blue as well as the olive green color. Yes, as I mentioned, these are the neutral colors, and of course for each and every man's wardrobe, black color shirt is a must. What I feel, these are the perfect middle ground between the 100% linen as well as the 100% cotton, because here it is a blend of linen with cotton. You do get 40 to 50% of linen composition along with the rest of the composition being cotton. So you get the advantage of better breathability when it is compared to cotton. Also you do get the advantage of not getting too wrinkled when it compared to linen. So I like the color palette, I like the black color, and if you guys know me, I love the olive green color. These are the regular fit shirts. That is the reason I sized down from medium to small size in order to get a proper fit. In case if you want a slimmer fit options directly, you can go for the slimmer cuts as well. Slim fit option starts at 1,999 rupees. I don't want to spend extra 500 rupees because these are priced at 1,500. And of course you must be thinking, where is the white shirt when it comes to the plain white shirt? Yes, for the white shirt even I have gone with the linen composition. This is a H&M edition premium white shirt with the mandarin collar which is made of 100% linen. This is super pricey at 4,000 rupees. If you guys ask me, is it worth at 4,000 rupees? Of course not, it is not really worth at 4,000 rupees. But why I considered this in the first place? I got this maybe like 7 to 8 months back, but they do have a similar option available at 2,300 as well as at 4,000 rupees. Even though you can get a 100% linen shirt at a price point of 2,300 even from H&M as well. Why I feel that H&M edition category of clothing is really value is not because of the composition of the materials, because of the quality of the materials they put in. All the premium version of the cotton, whatever the composition of the materials, the premium versions you are gonna see, and their main focus would be on this sustainable approach. Even though they are pricey, they tend to be super durable when it is compared to the normal H&M shirts or whatever the category of clothing. If you are on the line to spend that extra 1,500 or 2,000 rupees when it comes to the H&M edition clothing, in case if you want a durable clothing and that too for the versatile colors or neutral colors like this, it's always worth an investment guys. This particular shirt have a relaxed fit to it. As I invested 4,000 rupees on this shirt, I always wanted to get more value out of this. That's the reason I don't want to take the risk of going one size down. I wanted to use this maybe 2 or 3 years down the line as well. That is the reason I have gone true to size with the size medium. So moving in specific to the shirt number 5 and shirt number 6. These are the blue color and dark beige color shirts from H&M which I got it in a size of medium, and these are priced at 2,299. I think that these are really worth the price because these are the 100% linen shirts and these come in a regular fit. You must be thinking why I haven't sized down for these shirts. I tried that way, but actually these shirts, if you size down, even though being a regular fit shirts, these are a little bit tighter at the chest area as well as the waist area. That's why I have gone true to size when it comes to these particular 2 shirts, and I like the colors of both the shirts, and in particular for the dark beige, it is very easy to mix and match. And sky blue color, it may not be super versatile as much as the dark beige color, but still it is versatile than the other pop colors because it have the subtleness or a pastel shade of a blue color. When it comes to the fit, I like the fit. If I have to nitpick, there is a minor disqualifier which would be the length of the shirts. The length of the shirt is a teeny bit more. In case if you have to tuck in, these may not be the appropriate shirts. At least for me, they don't look presentable guys. Having covered the first subcategory of the solid color shirts, now let's move into the pattern shirts. For pattern shirts, I have 2 patterns for this one. One would be the checkered pattern and the other would be the striped pattern. For checkered pattern, I opted for this combination of the dark beige or a brown or black combination. When it comes to checkered shirts, this is a flannel from H&M, which is a regular fit flannel, and this one is priced at 1,500. I got this particular shirt for one of my recent haul, and I got this at a price point of 1200 rupees. And in specific for 2021, each and every fast fashion brand, they're implementing this color combination when it comes to checkered shirts, along with the olive green as well instead of the dark beige or brown color. Generally the quality is really great, and with the double chest pockets, this is one of my favorite. And when it comes to stripe pattern, I have gone with a subtler color combination with the white and blue. It is a white and blue striped shirt from H&M, which is a slimmer fit option that is priced at 2000 rupees. This particular shirt from H&M have a composition of linen to it along with the cotton. So you do get the breathability aspect of it, and also the color combination, the length, overall fitting, everything is perfect about this shirt, guys. They have this in one more colorway as well with the white and beige but if you ask me, I like this color combination better than that color combination. If you want a linen striped shirt from H&M this particular season, you can't get better than this in terms of the fit. It's a slimmer fit, and when it comes to the length, it ends just right. In case if I have to pick a single shirt from this complete set of the shirts, which is exactly value for money in terms of what it offers, I think this should be the best one after the white and black colors. You must be thinking how to pick a printed shirt when it comes to the neutral wardrobe. Yes, the main point which you need to consider would be the base of the particular shirt need to be of a neutral color, and here I have gone with the two printed shirts. For one which the base is black color, and for the other one would be a white color. When it comes to the black color in specific for the shirt, it is a tropical print shirt from H&M which is priced at 799. These are the H&M viscose printed shirt which they released for 799 price points. These are the ones which I got in the store. I'm not sure of their availability when it comes to the online. Whatever the links I can find online, I will make sure that they are included in the description. If not, I can't help it, guys. I'm so sorry. And when it comes to the tropical prints, the leaf prints, they have this beige color going on along with the white color. So it's a perfect printed shirt for your neutral wardrobe, and that too for a price point of 799 rupees. And moving on to the printed shirt number 2. It is also a printed shirt, but I can't name this print. Even H&M can't name this print. I still can't understand what exactly this print is, but it looks super cool to me. It looks something like an animated kind of a print. Here, the base of the shirt is a white color. I do not have a white color printed shirt except for a zebra print, so that's the reason I have gone with this printed shirt. And when it comes to the advantages, whatever I have mentioned with the previous shirt stays the same for this one as well. On the base of white color, here the print is with the black color, so it's basically a black and white shirt. When it comes to t-shirts, I'm not including the basic t-shirts when it comes to this H&M neutral wardrobe, because I already did an entire video on the best white t-shirt and also on the best black t-shirt. I'll make sure that I will leave the links in the description and also on the iCard. Please feel free to check it out. I do have two colors for you in this video. Coming to the t-shirt number 1, it is a full sleeve grey color t-shirt from H&M which is priced at 1299 rupees. It is a recycled cotton t-shirt. It looks more like a sweatshirt because of the ribbed bands at the end of the sleeves as well as the neck area. This overall gives the vibe of the sweatshirt, being it a t-shirt. Because of the recycled cotton they have gone with, this t-shirt ends up in their heavyweight cotton t-shirts. This t-shirt is a little bit on the heavier side. It's not anywhere to the point that you will notice that. I got this t-shirt in a size of small because this is a relaxed fit t-shirt or an oversized t-shirt. That's why I have sized it down. I feel that it is more of a bluish grey color rather than just a grey color. The quality of the t-shirt is really great. I am using the heavyweight cotton t-shirts from H&M, which are the half sleeves from last 1 to 1.5 years in a beige color as well as the baby pink color. They held up really well. Moving on to the t-shirt number 2, it is a beige and white horizontal striped t-shirt from H&M which is priced at 999 rupees. I got this for 850 rupees. I've sized it down for this t-shirt because it is an oversized t-shirt. I got this in a size of small. You must be thinking what happened to me, because I'm not much into horizontal stripes. I generally prefer vertical stripes, be it any category of clothing. But lately the trend has been picked up. The color combination of the beige as well as white I really liked, with the subtler text on the front side of the t-shirt. Here actually the distance between the stripes is pronounced or more. That's what exactly I liked. Now let's move on to the one and only jacket we have for this neutral wardrobe, because as I mentioned, the collection which you're gonna see in this video is summer specific when it comes to the H&M New Arrival section. I do have many jackets from H&M which I can include, but I haven't included. The one and only jacket which I have included in this video is a bomber jacket from H&M which is made of 100% linen. It is a linen bomber jacket from H&M in a creamish color, or the color which is called as natural when it comes to the H&M. So this one I really like the fit of it. It is a slim fit jacket. I got this in a size of medium. It is pricey at 4000 rupees, and this particular jacket H&M releases season after season. In case if you have patience and if you can wait for some time, you can get this discounted maybe after 2 to 3 months. When I bought this jacket, I think I got this for a price of 2000 rupees. Yes, for shirt jackets I have 3 options, and yes, 2 are made of linen and 1 is made of viscose. Yes, proper summer fabrics to choose from when it comes to shirt jackets, because these are the perfect balance between the shirts and jackets, and most often than not, each and every one of us who are wearing the shirt jackets use them as a layering piece. So the choice of fabric comes into play. Shirt jacket number 1 for this video, it is a H&M edition blue viscose Cuban collar shirt jacket, which is priced at 3,000 rupees, and I got this in a size of medium, and it is a resort fit shirt jacket. But I went true to size as I like the relaxed vibe of it. Actually, there is a corded set of the shirt jacket as well as the trouser when it comes to the H&M edition. The trouser you're gonna see in the next episode of this H&M neutral wardrobe. It is priced at 2,299, and I got this at a price point of 1,954. Yes, it's a little bit pricey when it comes to the viscose plain shirt at a price point of 1,950 or maybe 2,000 rupees. But this is a H&M edition shirt. The feel of it and the comfort you are gonna get with the overall vibe. If you wanted to buy a coordinate set with the blue color trouser what H&M is going to offer in the same composition, I think it's well worth, or else it's up to you guys. In case if you don't want to spend 2,299 on a shirt jacket made of viscose, there is an alternative version available from H&M only at a price point of 1,300, which is made of cotton. Moving on to the shirt jackets number 2 as well as 3. These are two similar jackets in two different colorways. One I got in the dark green and the other in black color, and both are made of linen. These are the 100% linen shirt jackets, and these are super pricey at 4,000 rupees. While ordering, even I felt that these are actually overpriced for what they offer, but the linen quality is really great for these options. Then I ordered them and used it for maybe a couple of times. Then I understood the importance of having a linen shirt jackets. Generally you don't get an option for layered outfits, but in case if you have the linen shirt jackets, and if you can pair with a linen t-shirt or a t-shirt with a cotton composition to it underneath, you have a perfect layered outfit when it comes to summer season. That's what the advantage you get with this linen shirt jackets, because of how thin the material is and how breathable it is with the choice of fabric they have gone for. And the colors have gone for both the black color as well as the dark green color. Both are the neutral colors and both can mix and match really well. If you get these both at a price points closer to 2,500 or 3,000 rupees, I think so, you can give it a try. This is a huge haul video on how to build a neutral wardrobe from H&M. I don't want to bore you guys with a 25 minutes or 30 minutes video. That's the reason I have gone with 2 episodes. In the next episode, you're gonna see the blazers as well as the trousers. Don't miss that episode, guys. In case if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time to subscribe to this channel. In case if you want to watch more content like this. That's it from me. See you guys in my next video.